Hello, YouTube family. This is Lisa and Levi. You know, nobody in my family wants to be in my videos except Levi, and even he's a stretch. But anyway, I have the Try the World box. It is a box full of foods and snacks. I've opened them on my channel a few times, and they never disappoint. So let me show you what's inside. And let me tell you, the worst thing you could see is me eating on camera. So I might only try like 1 or 2 snacks, but that's about it. So, because it's not pretty to see me eat on camera. So anyway, here is the beautiful box of snacks. And I want to thank the company for sending me this box again. It's always a treat. All right, the first thing I'm going to open is in this plastic bag. I've been staring at this box for a couple of days, and I've been wanting to drink this. It is called horchata traditional rice drink. It is a Mexican chocolate drink, and it is only 150 calories for this 11-ounce can. It's a product of it says product of USA. Yay! So let's go ahead and open that. I have my good thing I didn't shake it. I have my favorite beverage glass. I love getting stuff at flea markets and estate sales, and this is one of my vintage Budweiser glasses. Yummy, look at that. Look at that. This is, oh, it did say shake gently. All right, the reason why I didn't shake it, because I didn't want spray all over my bedroom. But let's go ahead and try this drink and see if it's any good. And we'll see if Levi wants to try it too. It's actually really good. Levi, he does, here baby. They say don't give cats dairy. I do give him a little dairy because this cat loves cheese. And he loves my cereal milk, and he doesn't get the poops or the runs. He's very healthy, as you can see. Did you want to try this? Oh, he's interested. He's interested. Let's see if we can get it on camera. Be really annoying about that. Okay? Come here, babies. Here we go. Ready? You want to try that? Yes? No? I don't think he's digging it. All right, so that was for mostly my entertainment. All right, what else do we have? This is really good. These are, I think I had this before in a box. It's a superfood. Who doesn't love a superfood? So one ball, there's 5 servings per container. One serving is only 45 calories. And this is like, what's it good in? What is it good in? It's here. There's nothing to scream about it, but what it says does say no additives, no added sugar, no added preservatives, and no artificial colors. So it has pistachios, and it's date balls filled with hazelnut butter and covered with pistachio pieces. And this is a product of Turkey. Okay, it looks good. All right, what the heck? I'll try one on camera. I'm breaking the rule, but I will try one because I'm kind of curious. I love all those ingredients, and this is what they look like. Very nice. See? Dates. It's very datey. It's very good. I'm going to eat one piece. Part of a piece. It's very good, but to be honest, this is a great snack to go. I just prefer to eat a date, but that is good. And now I probably have this all over my teeth. Oh, my baby's still here. No, he's not. He jumped away. Too much mama manhandling. Okay, what else we got? We got chips, rosemary chips. Look at that kid on the back. He's got one of those faces. This is distributed by Logan, Utah. The ingredients are written in French and English. And one package is 150 calories. And what do they have in them? It's hand-cooked potato chips from Sweden. It's premium potatoes. Of course, they're going to be premium potatoes. They wash them, they cut them, and they season them. And yeah, it's high at 15% sodium. It does have potassium and iron in them. Okay, so it's Swedish Lent chips. Very nice, very nice. And then going on to the chip department, we got 2 bags, and they're the same chip. This is Norse Roots Forage and Tallow and Flame. They're beef tallow kettle chips in sea salt. 1.5 ounce bag, 150 calories, and it's made with beef tallow. They're gluten-free, seed oil free, and I really have been dying to try these chips. I love chips. Oh, here's Levi. He's back. He couldn't resist. Let's see if Levi wants a chip too. This cat eats everything. They're like kettle chips. Want to try it? Smelling it. I don't know if you can see that. Want to try a chip? He ate it. Oops. So Levi approves of these chips. You want another one? All right, give him one little piece. Another little piece. They're really good. I love beef tallow. And I love like a kettle chip. Here you go. There you go. He's eating it. I know. Don't yell at me for feeding my cat chips. You know, it's potatoes, so. He liked it. Mikey liked it. So that's 2 bags of the chips. And then we have another chip by Torres Selecta Black Truffle Premium Potato Chips. And these are made, I think Spain. Yeah, product is Spain. Barcelona, Spain. I've been to Barcelona. You know when I was in Barcelona? 1982 when I was 17 years old. Yes. That's a pretty long time ago. Yep. So that looks delicious. And then, wow, we got some coconut cream bites. This is substantial. This is very substantial. 7 ounces, no trans fat, no high fructose corn syrup, and no artificial colorants. And there's 10 pieces, makes up 1 serving size in that. So there's 7 serving sizes, and it's 140 calories for 10 pieces. It does have some sugar in it, some carbs, a little fats, but it has 3 grams of protein. So if you eat all 7 servings in this bag, you're gonna get 21 grams of protein. Look at it like that, right? Protein. Because I'm working out. Yes, this lady's working out. I need my protein. All right, we got mango ginger chews. These were in a previous Try the World, and they're really, really good. Especially if you have a little bit of an upset stomach. The ginger is wonderful. Comes in individually wrapped little packages, 100% natural. And yeah, it's mango season here in Florida. I am a mango thief. I am. But I take the ones that like fall on the ground, already have like a little bruising in them, and they're gonna be eaten by the rats, by the animals. I take those home before they get eaten. And I love me mangoes. I love me some mangoes. Full of vitamin C. Okay, we got a chai mango. Ooh, this is very new to me. Chili pineapple wedges. Very good. No artificial colors, and it's unsulfured. Have no idea what is unsulfured. I don't know, but it is a product of Thailand. I was just in Thailand. I was in Bangkok. I swear to God, I was. What a cool place that was, man. All right, these are 2 servings per container, 100 calories a serving. And this one has some sugars, no protein, but no fats. It just has some sugars. I'm sure most of it's natural because you're gonna get pineapple, cane sugar, and they have like a chili blend. I am almost tempted to open this up, but I think you all had enough of me so far. I don't know. All right, what do we got? We got 2 lollipops, chili pepper powdered covered strawberry lollipops. Oh, this is new and different. I've never seen anything like this. Have you? Never seen it. And Vero elotes. I'm not sure what this is a product of. It just says, oh, it's made in Mexico. I didn't want to assume that. So that's that. I bet it's a spicy lollipop. We got a strawberry shortcake tea drops. Oh, I love this. This is, you make a drink. I think you have to put it in, put it in 8 ounces of boiling water, sip hot or cold. I'm a huge tea drinker and coffee drinker, so I love like these kind of things. And this is strawberry shortcake, very nice. 2 more things. I love how they put the drinks in little plastic bags, just in case, you know, during transportation, shipping, you know, there's an explosion. They're going to explode in a bag. And this is a strawberry flavored drink milk product made in Korea, which I almost thought it was in Korea. I actually lived in Korea for a year back in, probably before you were born, 94, 95. I was military. Yes, active duty military. Okay, last thing. This looks like a product of India. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. No, it's not a product of India. You know, I'm not gonna claim to know where this is made in. It's made in district Palghar Maharashtra, village Ambehe. Yeah, if I don't know, I don't know. I'm not gonna BS you. But it's a cheeky bar. It's blend of puff, amaranth, jaggery, and cardamom. This should be interesting. This should be interesting. It's a snack. It's a snack. No preservatives, colors, or additives. So it's a peanutty snack. And it's very low in calorie, 50 calories for 1 serving. Duh, it says it right there. Product of India. I was right. What do I know? What do I know? All right, so that's Try the World. I should have said this at the beginning of my video. I'm going to link down below. You're going to get 20% off your box. They have all sorts of sales all the time. They always have 20% off, usually at their site. Father's Day, Mother's Day, you know, July 4th, it might be even higher. But there's all sorts of different boxes from different countries. I suggest you check it out and give it a try. And thank you, Try the World, for sending me this beautiful box of yummy sweets and drinks. I'm going to try one more of these drinkies in my Budweiser cup. It's really, really nice. It's a light, refreshing, ricey, chocolatey drink. And I appreciate that in South Florida. All right, guys. Come back and visit me again sometime soon. Me and Levi. Bye.